Now let's install the window trim ambient light kit. Start by thoroughly cleaning the areas around the window trim where the light strips will be installed. Apply the included adhesion promoter to the mounting surface. Next, take one of the window trim light strips and line it up in the correct position. Make sure the wire exits toward the front of the vehicle and the white diffuser remains visible on the outside. Peel back a small section of the adhesive backing, align the strip, then continue peeling away the backing while firmly pressing the light strip into place. Once one side is installed, repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. Next, open the front trunk. Remove the cowl trim panel below the windshield. Lift out the frunk mat. Remove the lower side trim panels and take out the 4 mounting screws. Then remove the 2 screws beneath the cowl panel. Remove the rubber grommet on the driver's side. Lift the frunk assembly. Unplug the frunk latch connector and remove the frunk. Now route each window trim light strip harness through the gap beneath the A-pillar and into the frunk area. Repeat the same routing for both sides. Connect both light strip harnesses to the included Y-splitter harness. Then connect the splitter to the control module. Mount the controller in a secure location. Connect the controller's red wire to the factory red and blue wire. Insert both wires into the supplied wire connector and tighten it clockwise until secure. Repeat the same process with the black controller wire, connecting it to the factory brown and blue wire. Once that's done, connect the controller to the control module. After confirming the lights are working properly, neatly organize and secure all of the wiring, making sure everything is tucked away cleanly. Finally, reinstall the frunk by reconnecting the frunk latch connector. Reinstalling the driver's side rubber grommet. Tightening the 2 cowl screws. Reinstalling the 4 lower mounting screws. Snapping the lower side trim panels back into place. Reinstalling the frunk mat and finishing with the cowl trim panel. And that's it! Your window trim ambient light kit is fully installed.